Welcome to all. So this is a requested video. Okay, so we are going to solve today the Lagrange's linear equation. Okay, so this is the definition. A linear partial differential equation of first order, if it is in this form, this is called Lagrange's linear equation, where capital P, capital Q and capital R, those are the function of x, y, z. Okay, so this is called quasi-linear equation, and P, Q and R are independent of when P, Q and R are independent of Z, then that is called the linear equation. Okay, so how to solve this equation? There is a proof of that. There is a technique to solve, and I am going to show you the proof of that solution. Okay, so here we will be eliminating. You see, this equation, such equation is obtained by eliminating an arbitrary function phi, which is phi is a function of u and v. So phi u and v is equal to 0, where u and v are the function of x, y, z. Then if you partially differentiate this equation with respect to x, then this will come. So how it is going to come, I will show you. Okay, so as this phi is a function of u and v, by applying chain rule, when we are differentiating with respect to x, so this is del phi by del u into del u by del x. So this part we are differentiating with respect to x, so del x by del x, plus a del u by del y into del y by del x, plus del u by del z into del z by del x. Okay, and it's also a function of, this phi is a function of v, so plus del phi by del v into del v by del x into del x by del x, plus del v by del y into del y by del x, plus del v by del z into del z by del x. Okay, it's very clear. So here one thing I am assuming, the z is the dependent variable and x and y are the independent variable. Okay, so now if we rewrite these things, this part is 1. Okay, so del phi by del u into del u by del x, and as x and y are independent variables, so this things is 0. Okay, and this del z by del x, it is p, correct? We know it. So plus del u by del z into p. Now I'm writing another part. Del phi by del v into, this is del v by del x, and again this term is 0, so plus del v by del z into this term again p. So you see it is coming exactly this, del phi by del u into del u by del x plus del u by del z into p, and del phi by del v into del v by del x plus del v by del z into p. Similarly, when I will differentiate this function with respect to y, so what it will come, del phi by del u into del u by del x into del x by del y plus del v, I am applying the chain rule, simple, del y into del y by del y plus del v by del z into del z by del y, another term plus del phi by del v into, sorry, it is del u, del v by del x into del x by del y plus del v by del y into del y by del y plus del v by del z into del z by del y, which is equal to 0. So now again here this is 0, so if I write it, del phi by del u into del u by del x, sorry, del u by del y, because this is 0, this term will be, this is 1, so del u by del y plus, and this term is q, so del u by del z into q plus second term del phi by del v, again this term is 0, so this del y by del y, it is 1, so del v by del y plus del v by del z into, this term is q is equal to 0. You see, this is that term, del phi by del u into del u by del y plus del u by del z into q plus del phi by del v into del v by del y plus del v by del z into q. You got it? Simple. I applied the this one, what is called chain rule. Now both the things I will go, if I write the matrix form, so this equation and this equation, if I write in matrix form, so it will come like this. So basically here it will be so it will be del phi by del u, and here del phi by del v. This is u. This is equal to 0. So now cross multiply this term and this term, then minus this term into this term. If you do that and if you arrange, then you will get a form like this. So this is your capital P. If you remember the Lagrange linear equation, so this is your capital Q and this is your capital R. Okay. Now we are assuming that U and V, those are constant, which is equal to A and B. Okay. Now if you use the formula for total derivatives, so let us see, U is equal to f of x, y and z. Okay. So du by dx, total derivative, du by dx is equal to what? Del u by del x into dx by dx plus del u by del y into dy by dx plus del u by del z into del dz by dx. Okay, this is the formula for total derivatives. Now you cancel, this can be dx, you can cancel from this both side, so it will be du is equal to du by del x into dx plus del u by del y into dy plus del u by del z into dz. But u is a constant, so it is equal to 0. Similarly, for if you find out the total derivative of b, you will get this equation. It is very clear. Now from these two equations, that by using the cross multiplication, that means when x is there, this coefficient you multiply minus this you multiply, so it is del u by del y into del v by del z minus del u by del z into del v by del y. Okay. Similarly for y is, when y, this will be not there, so y, this will be not there, this term will be not there when y you are multiplying. Okay, so del u, so this into this, so del u by del z into del v by del x minus del u by del x into del v by del z. You see this one, and for del z it will be del u by del x into del so for del z means this will cancel, so now del u into del x, del u by del x into del v by del y minus del u by del y into del v by del x, this one. So this is basically P, Q and R. So to solve this, so from these things, if you want to solve this Lagrange linear equation, it will be in this form. So from this you find out capital P, capital Q and capital R, and you write here, and from here you solve the from here you solve it. Okay, and you put the solution as like this. Let us see one example. So say this is my this is one example. We have to solve this equation. So this is my capital P, this is my capital Q, and this is my capital R. So that's why I am writing রাত 11টার সময় ডিস্টার্ব করে এবার এই that means this del x by p. So p here p is equal to because here it is for simplicity x is multiplied. So this is dx by y square z is equal to dy by q is x square z, and z is xy square. Sorry, r is xy square. So it is like this. So now if you take this two, this is coming. Okay. So now integrating it's like this. It's a constant. And similarly, if you take y dy and dz, you will get like this. Sorry, if you take x and z, you will get like this. Okay. If you take this two, you are getting like this. So this is another constant. So what is my solution? My solution is phi of u and v is equal to 0, where u is equal to a and v is equal to b. Those are constant. So phi x cube minus y cube comma x square minus z square is equal to 0. This is the solution. Okay. So from this we understood how to find out the solution of Lagrange linear equation, and this is the example. From this how it can be, the solution, whatever it is method we are using, how it can be proved. This is the way, and I given one example also. So hope you have understood that. One student actually, he asked me that, so that's why I made the video, but I was too busy, I was not able to make. So hope you understood. So thank you so much.